Hi, this is Raquel of the YogaSlackers, and today I want to share with you how to get into the line inversion without using the ground. The prerequisites will be for you to feel comfortable doing the line inversion on your own and being able to release the hand from the ground. So if you're starting up, you will be using the hand on the slackline first, placing one arm, ideally straight because this is what we're gonna do later, and there's no jump. It's about lifting the hips and bringing the ribs in to find your balance. Now from here, instead of thinking about lifting the hand that's on the ground, start walking the hand away from you as the arms straighten. So I will say try to feel comfortable here. Anything between 10 to 20 seconds should be enough. I like to start on a laying down position. I do the line inversion on my right shoulder. So I lay with the right shoulder on the line. The slackline is going through my body through the left hip, and I'm hooking my foot around the line. My left arm is going to be free, and I'm going to attempt to not use it through the rest of the movement. I place both feet on the line, and the trick is this. I'm actually gonna use my feet to lift my hips up. Push down with the feet to lift the hips, and then grab the slack line here, right? So that will be your first or second step. First step, lay on the line, opposite shoulder to hip connected to the line. The shoulder that you want to do the line inversion is connected to the line. Now from here, hook both feet on the line and push down on the feet to lift and curl, and place the hand on the slack line. Okay. This moment, going from laying down to that first part of the inversion, you're going to be rolling over your collarbone, and it's not going to feel very good at the beginning. Let's just be honest about that. It's about moving from that position as soon as possible to the place where you do your line inversion, which is not on the top of your shoulder, it's really on your back. Let's look at the steps once more. Lay on the line, put both feet on the slack line, push down with the feet to lift the hips and roll the ribs in, connect to the line, let go of the right foot, lift the second foot, and then relax your gaze back onto the end of the line. To go up, there is this dragging sensation of me curling through my ribs and lifting the hips up, and I drag my feet towards me to allow my hips to lean far behind me over my head to create the counterbalance. That's how to enter the line inversion without using the ground. You can follow the same steps to come back down to the line. It is a move that is easier done on longer, looser lines, so the lines have less energy on them. And it's also a lot easier if you are very comfortable with your handstands and your inversions. YogaSlackers, we have a community-funded online training program for handstands. So if you would like to sign up, check the link below. It's the YogaSlackers 12 Days of Handstands. Hope we can train together and see you upside down.